Damn it, guys, I got hit by another freaking Mustang. Dang it, what am I gonna do?
You know what would make this so much worse, man? If I took this jack stand out.
Man,
how about that?
Screw off, bro. Just kidding, guys. We're doing an oil change. And this is Perez Garage 704.
Alright guys, we're putting a breaker bar on here.
Technical difficulties, please stand by. Say something along the line.
Jesus Lord. Yum. It's pretty dark.
Yeah. Beating on it? Oh, you just got it all over your arm.
It's okay.
Having trouble, buddy?
Look at what you're doing.
What? Damn it, dude. You know, well, caught. Whatever. Can't tell if it's rotating or not.
Nothing right.
I got Gorilla Grip, bro.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, shit. There we go. Oh, it's so hot. It feels like blood. It really does. Okay, backstory. I've cut myself working on cars so much that I honestly know what that feels like.
Did you cut yourself?
No.
No.
There's nothing to cut myself on down here.
Hey man, I don't know.
I guess let's let it drip for a little bit and then just clean it up.
Not that much is dripping out.
Well, most of it was inside the filter. I'll get this nasty stuff off my hands though. Look at that.
Yum.
Dude, that took a lot of grip strength.
Yeah, it did.
You can't say that was because I beat my meat because it's a different hand. Please tell me it's not recording.
It is.
You're really good at screwing.
I can't see shit.
Well, I guess you're just gonna have to trust your instincts.
What's it say?
I can't read it, it's facing the other way. I've got an idea. Here. Alright, I've got an idea. Alright. Let us know in the comments if it's torque to spec. It needs to be at 19. I just realized a plan or a flaw with our plan. If we're asking them to comment below if we torque to the spec, how are we gonna know until like tomorrow?
We don't run the car.
Yeah, so you guys better comment. Hurry. Fill her up.
Just gonna let it drip.
Yeah, every last drop counts. Every milliliter. Still going though. I'd say that's pretty good. Hi, Brutus. What's up, buddy? What are you doing with a lemonade pitcher?
This ain't a lemonade pitcher. This is an oil pitcher.
There's a lemon right there. You
Where?
just cut it off.
It's gone.
Yeah, well, it was there. It was there. Guys, what is he doing? Like, we literally just dumped in the other bottle and now he wants to use the lemonade pitcher. Oh, he's measuring out 3 quarts.
That's 2 quarts.
Okay, well, it's not my fault you're partying so much oil.
Yeah, my bank account's not happy about it either.
Did you went to Walmart?
Yeah. I still spent like $75 today on a do-it-at-home oil change. How about that shit?
Dang, dude. That sucks, man. Measuring, you have to measure it from the bottom of the meniscus. Learn that in chemistry class.
What do you mean the bottom of the meniscus?
You know liquids they have coherence and adherence. So basically, sometimes it goes like that, and there's a little dip. So you have to measure it from the bottom because it adheres to the sides of the measuring device. You know, if you just want it accurate enough.
Yeah.
I think that just about wraps it up. Now you just got to get that funnel out without it leaking all over your engine. You are so OCD. It was pointing upside down, so he rotated 180 degrees, so when it was screwed on, it would be face pointed up. So, yeah. Yo, we've been driving for hours. I thought we were just going on a test drive. Why the hell are we in Mexico, dude?
You'll see.
Okay.
Oh shit!
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up